So this is going to be part 3 of my Glock 43X update. You can see my slide is still painted red. Sweet catch. Oh, yes sir. Got the extended mag release and slide lock release in. That's also why I'm showing this super quick takedown, because those things do help a lot. Just some fancy work there. Yeah, no. Make sure everything's working correctly. One in the head, always. Oh, also, in this update, I have this ghost ink, I guess what it's called. Forgot where I got it from. Forgot what it was called. But it was the cheapest +4 sleeve with the spring. You use your original mag plate off your original mag. I don't know if it's because the spring is brand new, but I can only fit 13 in it. So it's a 13 + 1 when you have this mag in, which is okay. I'm pretty sure the spring will break in, and make sure that's clear. I'm pretty sure the spring will break in, and I'll be able to fit 14 in there. See, right now there should be 13. Now there should be 13. This one still holds 10. I got this little pinky holder mag sleeve. NDZ, I think it was called, the website. I can't remember also. I mean, if you do want to know where I got all this stuff, you can ask me in the comments and I will look it up and let you know. But this is going to be an update video. This was not in the last update video, so this one still holds 10, just like a stock 43X mag. It does not give more, it's just a plate for your pinky, which I kind of feel like I don't need, because I mean my pinky's not even on it. So they do sell these flat. I might end up getting that instead of this, who knows. But since I've had this full since I got this, let's see if I could fit the 14th in there, because it was really tough. So even at that, it was really tough. Oh, actually I did fit the 14. The problem was it wouldn't let it. See, it's not clicking it. I shouldn't have to press that hard for the mag to go in, but when there's only 13, it's in. And then I could load one in, but I'm not. Did earlier, but yeah. For the video, yeah, there you go. Don't know what that is. I think this was like $20, so I don't expect it to be that great. I do like this matches, but whatever. I do like this though. I like this a lot, but I don't know about the whole pinky thing, because like I said, my pinky isn't even on it, so I probably will end up getting a flat one. It gets dusty quick, but the whole gun does. Well, yeah, I believe that's everything. I could go over this stuff more. As you know, this stuff is real simple to put in. You just pop this pin out. My pin came out really easy. Some guys said they had a lot of problems, but it came out really easy. Then this guy comes out, this comes out, and then that's a little tricky to get in and out, because of spring. You don't want to lose that spring. I do have a video of me doing it, and I've never owned a Glock before, so it was kind of a learning experience video for me. I was putting this in upside down for a minute, but I'm gonna edit that out if I do upload it. But that's that. There's already scuff on that, which, I mean, oh, it might be flash, I can't tell. I think there's a scuff on it. But the whole gun's gonna get scuffed anyway. It's a gun. It's not meant to stay perfect. It's meant to be used for protection and fun at gun ranges. So, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the update of my Glock 43X. Thanks for watching.